really stormy out here today. Very, very windy. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do just yet the rest of the day, but I do need to go throw some trash. Over here where I'm staying, you can only throw trash at the transfer stations. So that's basically where you can dump all of your trash, recycle, and all that good stuff. Because where I'm at doesn't have trash pickup. I think mainly just because of us being up on top of the hill. It's probably expensive, and my landlord is not here all times of the year, so it's probably not worth it. But also, I got the Apple Watch yesterday, green one. Looks pretty sweet, and now I have to make sure that I'm competing with all the people on my little fitness thing. So that's probably another reason I'm trying to go to the beach, so I can somehow get my fitness points up. Super stormy ocean. They actually blocked off the parking. Wow, that was incredible. Definitely worth the go. As I was leaving, wood from one of the sheds was flying around, so it's kind of dangerous to be around there. So we left, and we're in good shape. Pretty epic. The wind there is no joke. That was pretty hardcore wind. I'm excited to see what the footage looked like. I wanted to take it with the bigger camera, but my SD card is full. You know how that works, so I need to clean that out. But anyway, it's got some pretty cool iPhone footage, and I think it'll still look really good. But we're back home, or on the way back home, and this view never gets old. You can see so many of those waves. It's choppy water. This view back home is just so pretty, always. Alright, you know what? Let's do a bonus tour. I have a good idea. My landlord's busy with new tenants. Let's go to this place is called End of the World. I think End of the World right now will be some insane footage, so let's go check it out. This is pretty crazy, but I came here to End of the World saying how crazy it was, and I think someone's getting airlifted from here from a helicopter. Maybe we're jumping off the cliff. But you can see the ambulance and stuff. I don't know. Pretty crazy.